Okay, so when it's all said and done, an item that should have come right out of the box and been assembled in less than 5 minutes, because of the obstacles I faced here with this guy, I did spend over a couple of hours on some hurdles, but we are now all ready, gassed up, oiled up, and ready to go. So I'm going to see how its first startup goes. First startup right here. Okay. Ready? See how it goes the first one. On the first try, so yes. Really wet grass. Take a look here at this cut. Come on over here. Head down. Look at that. This grass then probably 18 inches in some spots because it's been raining so much. And it's still wet, but look at the cut. Even in the wet. Started up on the first try. Really nice. Overall, I'm impressed.
Awesome job. Great. Cut's great. Very easy. Down. And it goes higher than any lawnmower I believe I've ever seen. I cut with it all the way on low. 100% recommend this lawnmower.